Hey y'all, it's me. So, another day, right? So here's the deal. In case you didn't know, I'm working my butt off trying to get a food truck started. It is my passion. It's my heart's desire. I want it so bad I can taste it. And it's been wild lately. I've been taking lots of classes, doing some certifications, working with Small Business Development Center, working with another lending company, doing all sorts of stuff because Mama's asking for a lot of money. And, well, it doesn't grow on trees around here. Oh, excuse my ice maker. It decided to make ice right now. Wonderful. Anyway, so listen. So, my heart, my passion is soul food, and soul food with a twist, if you will. And since being up in New England now, instead of being in Georgia, things are hard to find around here. There's no soul food. None that's any good, anyway. And, but I'm finding all sorts of new stuff, new ingredients. One of them, anyway, I'm about to share with you. So, the whole point is, right in the middle of all this process, I'm going to give y'all some behind the scenes stuff because I have questions and I really need a lot of y'all's input, and I don't even have followers on certain platforms yet. So, hey, I need more followers. So spread the word, please. Thank you. So part of this is recipe development, and I've been working on some of my old classics, collard greens, yams, stuff that I know how to make, but just perfecting my recipe. So I found something. We went to the store the other day, and local to my area is a kielbasa sausage manufacturer. I love kielbasa, but I've only had it in the tube. They had kielbasa patties, and I'm like, wait, what? Kielbasa patties? I'm not sure about that, but I'm willing to try, right? They're so freaking good. Y'all, they're so good. So I decided that I needed to make a sandwich with this, a signature sandwich with the local meat, local bread, ingredients from the grocery store around here or the farmer's market from here. So with that being said, let's get into it. I made this sandwich last night. It was a hit. We took it to other people to try. They liked it. It is going to be my new signature sandwich, if you will, one of them. And I'm very excited. So it's a little, it's not what we would consider soul food, but it's got soul food ingredients and it's twisted up a little bit. So just go with it, right? So let's get into it. I'm super excited. Y'all never mind me. My hands were clean, but I just touched my face and glasses. But I'm making the sandwich for me, so who cares? Welcome to my kitchen. My creating castle. So yeah, let's get into it. We are going to make, I've already got certain ingredients. So let me talk these through real quick. Excuse the kid plate, but I made homemade blackening seasoning. So if you happen to watch my other video, I keep a salt box and then I keep an all-purpose seasoning blend. So with all-purpose seasoning blend, it's just your garlic, paprika, onion powder, white pepper, black pepper, salt. But then to my blackening seasoning mix, I added thyme, oregano, and cayenne pepper. So that is what my blackening seasoning is. So I'm going to cut my stove on. This is the fastest sandwich in the history of ever. It's so quick and easy. So I'm going to heat up some butter in the skillet. Also, because I don't want to grit out the griddle and flat top, I'm going to butter my onion bun and put it in the air fryer really quick. So we're about to dip our Polish kielbasa in the blackening seasoning. Again, there's no rhyme or reason to any of this, but I made it up. It was delicious. I'm here for it, and yay raw. So bear with me. So really, really quick, simple. You slice your onion bun. I made some quick and easy garlic butter. And again, if I'm on a food truck, this is going to be put onto a flat top or a grill and not in the air fryer. But for this, here we are. So, not a ton. Just enough. Let's stick it in the air fryer. So, give that a minute. Y'all, when I tell you the sandwich, we were talking about it. We're like, okay, I definitely want to use the, and yeah, we keep our butter. We keep it room temperature around here. So little pat of butter into the skillet. Get all nice and warmed up. Where was I? Oh, we were talking about the sandwich. And I'm like, oh my God. So kielbasa, I'm like, so sausage. I kind of like a little bit of kick, a little bit of bite. So then also what's on the sandwich, so if you want to make it, is also pineapple, massaged kale. That's a whole nother video. And pickled onions, pickled red onions. That's a whole nother video as well. So let's get into it. Y'all know I'm blind, right? Like for real, for real. So we're gonna turn on the light, wait for this to heat up. Y'all, when I'm telling you, I know it's like gonna be a long video, so I'm sorry ahead of time. And you know I don't know shit about editing, so we ain't editing this shit either. You're gonna look, no makeup, ugly socks on in my kitchen that looks a hot mess. It's gonna be fabulous. But stick with me because I'm gonna make you something good. Mama's gonna feed you so good. Y'all, I'm telling you, this freaking kielbasa is so freaking delicious. Okay, so all I did was take it, put it in the blackening seasoning, flip it over. Y'all, look at her. Yeah. Alright, so butter in the skillet. And then we're also going to put 2 pieces. Y'all, this is my house, my sandwich, my pineapple, whatever. 2 slices of canned pineapple. Let it go in the butter. Give your hand just a little rinse your hand. Okay. So, like when I tell you this is so easy and so freaking delicious, we sat here and we're like just talking through like what we could do with this sandwich. And I'm like, have you ever seen a kielbasa patty? That's going to be our first question. That's the first poll question. Have you ever seen a kielbasa patty? I've only seen it in like the tube. So that's the first question. Have you ever seen it? Because it's freaking delicious. So this is called Blue Seal. Whatever. So, love it. Love it, love it. And like I said, this sandwich, super, super quick and easy to make. Crank the heat up. I mean, kielbasa's cooked, right? So all you have to do is warm it up and warm up the pineapple and get your bread toasty, toasty, toasty. It's good. And I'll make another video about pickled onion and the massaged kale, because we were out the other day and I said something about massaged kale and they were like, the hell is massaged kale? And one of the guys was like, I'm a chef. And I was like, okay, cool. And I was like, tell him, massaged kale is the thing. He's like, kale's kale. And I'm like, no, what the hell, it's not. All kale is not kale. Massaged kale is a very different kale. Just saying. So, to give you the background, you wash your kale. You peel it off the big stems. And you put some freaking love into it. That is delicious kale. So, the love is lemon juice, oil, and a pinch of salt. And you rub the shit out of it. You massage it. You show it some love. And then you know what it does? It brightens up. All the white funky shit gets off of it. It makes it all green and delicious. And guess what? It makes it tender. It's so tender and so delicious. And you can eat it plain. And it doesn't taste like food. It tastes good. Because let's be clear, I eat kale anyway. But raw on a salad is not my jam unless it's been massaged. Alright, we're going to flip our patty. Because why not? Keep that cooking. And yeah, y'all get to watch me do nothing for a minute. Alright. My bun is almost all the way done. Y'all, My fat ass hasn't been this excited about a sandwich in a hot second. And I am here for it. Okay. What else? I think that's it. I feel like I should really pause it because y'all are getting bored sitting here watching me do this because I'm already at 10 minutes. I would show you my neighbor's grandkids out here playing ball. They're out in the yard, but I'm not going to do that either. So, let's load our sandwich. Okay, so you can get an onion bun from anywhere, but this is from a local bakery called Bernardino's. Look at that. Oh, yum. And I don't know how to do but this shit's delicious, okay? You cut this off, and then you're going to take your, y'all see that? Oh, boom. Your kielbasa. Then you're going to take your little pineapple. Have a little pineapple moment. They didn't get all brown and golden delicious on both sides, but we're going to pretend they did, okay? Do that. Then you're going to come over here. You're going to grab some of your beautiful kale. And I think I literally just put this on the top bun instead of the bottom. Yep, I did because I'm a freaking idiot. I don't give a shit. I'm going to flip it over and eat it. And then you're going to go in. You're going to actually get a new fork because I'm not going to be that gross. And grab you a boatload of pickled onions. And make sure you don't put the freaking peppercorns in it because you don't want to break your teeth. Alright. There you go. And then, because I'm a genius and I made it backwards, you're going to flip this bitch, okay? There you go. You're going to flip it over. And then you're going to show all the lovely people your delicious sandwich. It got flipped over because I'm a dumbass. But anyway, there's your sandwich. Y'all, this shit is so damn delicious. Like, ridiculously delicious. Hold on. I will learn this video shit eventually. Y'all, look at that sandwich. It's so damn good. Like, deliciously good. So, y'all try it. I need to know, though, have you heard of a kielbasa patty? Have you massaged your kale today? I want y'all try this. Okay. Bye. Oh, God, there was something under my nail. Bye, y'all.